when I was in Montana, I came out as being transgender. It wasn't exactly socially acceptable. It's kind of one of those redneck hick states where they don't like some, they'll tell you and they'll push you out of there. So I left there. I originally went to Texas, ended up having some pretty fucked up experiences down there. Got hooked on meth, experimented with spice, several over-the-counter drugs that I was doing on a daily basis to just kind of forget stuff. Eventually I ended up hitchhiking out here in the middle of an ice storm that was going on down in Texas about 2 years ago. Finally got out here after about 3 days of travel. And I came here, and the first thing I started doing was meth again. And it took me a little while to come to my senses. It took me almost overdosing and getting hypothermia in order to finally quit. I ended up coming to this program, and the first thing Christian said was, hey, no hard drugs, don't do shit like that. If you have a prescription, that's fine.